Welcome to this second video of this OmegaT tutorial. So in this video, we will see what is OmegaT and what are all its basic features available for translators. Okay, so OmegaT is a free and open source software. Initially, it was written in C++ language. Later, it was written in Java language. So it works on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, and Sun Solaris operating system. It is open source, so anyone can download the source code and compile it and customize it to their needs. Anyway, if you are a translator who doesn't have any idea about programming, you can just directly download the installer and install it in your Windows or Linux PC or MacBook. Okay, so it is a very good option for beginners, students, and even for professional translators who are new to cattool. It has a lot of standard features that are on par with the commercial cattool. Coming to the features of OmegaT, OmegaT has a TM that follows the TMX file format, translation memory exchange file format, which is the universal format that should be compatible with all other cattool. So it is the interchange format across a number of cattools. It supports glossary, and when we say glossary, it supports TXT notepad format and CSV comma separated value Excel file that is saved as a CSV, and TBX file format term-based exchange TBS file format is also supported by OmegaT. Okay, it also supports MT such as Google, Yandex, and many other MT features we will see in the coming videos of this tutorial. We can also make word count as well as the statistics log reporting use OmegaT. It also allows scripting. So if you know scripting, you can do the script to perform a particular task and implement it within the cattool. And we have QA check. So by implementing the QA check, you can check the non-linguistic mistakes as well as the tag check, even the terminology check. These things can be ensured using the QA check feature in OmegaT. And coming to the feature, it supports 30+ file format, and the important highlight of OmegaT is it supports SDL XLIF, the Trados bilingual file format, natively from this version, that is 6.0.0. Okay, so OmegaT 6 supports Trados SDL XLIF file without the need for adding any other plugin like in earlier version, because earlier versions used to support Trados file only by using OmegaT plugin. So for example, OmegaT 4.3.2 or 4.3.3 needed OmegaT plugin to be added to the OmegaT installation folder, then only it would support the Trados. But now the latest version, OmegaT 6.0.0, it supports Trados SDL XLIF file format natively, and glossary, it supports TXT, CSV, and TBX. I have already said. So that is for this video. So let's meet in the next video where we will share the downloading and installation of OmegaT. So see you in the next video. Bye.